guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Elaina. Привет! I'm a Russian-American makeup and beauty addict. I usually do tutorials and reviews of affordable and expensive makeup for Walmart, drugstore, all kind of websites. I'll test on my face and I'll pass the savings to you guys. So in this video, I'm reviewing the new, more or less new Beauty Bay palette, New Romantic. It looks like this. It's a beautiful palette and a nice color story. So we're going to be doing this look, very extra, very typical Elaina, if you know me. And I'm going to show you the swatches and what I think about it at the end. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring notification bell so YouTube notifies you of every new video upload. I upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and also go live every Monday. So like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. The links are down in the description box, as well as my Patreon group. So let's get into this tutorial and review. So of course this is a video about this beautiful Beauty Bay palette. The box, even the box looks gorgeous. Look at this. It's all pink and black. I know I made a mistake and at the end of the video I said it was $20 because I forgot, honestly. It's $15. It's even better. For $15 you get this beautiful 20 shades and it looks gorgeous. It's for Valentine's Day, obviously, and of course here, well, I'm filming it on the 19th and you don't get it as fast as UK. It takes like a couple of weeks to get here, sometimes quicker. So that's what it looks like. So this is all very beautiful shades, typical Beauty Bay quality, very pigmented. The metallics are extremely metallic, except for like this one, and I think this one, they're kind of hard pressed. Like a couple of them a little bit hard pressed, but they are like buildable. The rest of them, like this one and this one and this one, they're extremely wet looking. They're so beautiful. Like I'm wearing them here. I had no issues with them whatsoever. You're gonna see swatches on my arm that I did on my cell phone. Literally painted my arm with a little bit concealer first. And I put my arm against this wall and, you know, just like a simple way. So as you can see in the swatches, it comes out beautifully, and on my eyes as well. I mean, it blended so fast. It was just funny how fast I filmed this video. I was like, wow. It took me longer to put the gems on, honestly. This took longer than eyeshadow. Yeah, that is a real nice palette. You guys will see when I apply it how easily it applies. I was actually shocked how good it is. I mean, I know Beauty Bay is great, but I'm like, wow, this is one of the best blacks right there. Mitchell, learn from it if you're watching it. This is the best black ever. It's black AF, literally. So yeah, I'm very happy with this. So in the next video, you'll see a quick tutorial. And not much needs to be said. I have Book of Magic, I have Sunset Horizons, I have pastels, and I have bright matte from Beauty Bay, and all of them is just like outstanding quality. I don't know how they do it. This brand is so inexpensive and so extremely pigmented and blendable. Every single palette is like, wow, oh yeah, and Nikki tutorials. I like it compared to my friends. Some of my friends are shading it. Shade. Anyway, so let's get on with the tutorial and my final thoughts, which you actually already see what I think. I just can't hold my excitement from about the palette. I was like having a palette freaking out as I was applying it. So let's get right into this. Alright, so let's get to the application. I applied P. Louise base, Aroma 0.5, and lifted my eyebrows usual. Covered up my tattoo, and I'm going with a small brush. I organized all my brushes like a couple of weeks ago in a category by size, not by the brand, because to me it makes more sense. I kind of looked at the sizes because I reach for the same kind of size brushes all the time, and going through different sets is a pain. So this is just a Morphe brush, JS12. It's just a nice, fluffy but small, so I'm gonna go start with black immediately. It's called Ink, and there it is, this one. And you will see how Beauty Bay does black. Look, this is the black, and Mitchell could learn from this. Shade, all tea. shade. I had to. Yeah, Mitch, I love his palette, but his black is atrocious. It's so bad. And the same was with LA Girl Desert Dream main stage. The palette is beautiful, but the black was atrocious. So it's kind of like, well, it's not that important, but when I have a palette and it has a black on it, and if it's not black, it's a disappointment. And this is the black. And how I can tell, when I applied black ink eyeliner, it blended with the eyeshadow. It means the black eyeshadow is the blackest black you can imagine. Alright, slightly blending it out, just slightly. And then I'm gonna apply the kind of reddish claret. I'm not sure. So that one. It's like a cool tone red. So on the light base and over the black, it's gonna look very dark, pinkish, purplish color, which I'm not mad about. So 50% off, and this is the Jessup Luxe Petite Crease 231, one of my favorite brushes from Jessup. Look how easily and smoothly it blends into black. Literally, it blends itself. You would expect this kind of thing from a high quality, expensive eyeshadow. Like Be Perfect blends easily. ABH blends beautifully. But I know the Beauty Bay is great, but every time I try a new Beauty Bay palette, I'm like, how do they do this at this price point? Unbelievable, unbelievable. Look at this. So this is coming out so easy and so fast. So all I have to do is add the lighter color now. And the lighter color is going to be a combination of a few of these. So I'm going to go for the Milkshake, Flamingo, and Birthday in that order. So Milkshake first. This is a bigger brush of one of my Ulta Beauty purchases, Morphe M513. Very fluffy, very big. Great for blending out lighter shades. I'm patting it on as usual. If you guys never seen my videos, I have old eyebrow tattoo that's kind of too low, so I cover it up with concealer. So I have to pat it on unless or I'll uncover my eyebrow tattoo, so I don't want to remove it, smudge the concealer. So I have to like press it in first and then blend it out. Go into Flamingo now, lighter shade. We'll fix this later when I apply my base, because first I want to just play with these colors here. I'm going into the Birthday, even lighter shade. So this all blends easily. Just go in between colors as usual. Go back to the red, go back to the black until everything's blended out. And we'll get the perfect blend easily within minutes. Okay, so what I've done off the camera is use micellar water Q-tip, clean this off, and cut my crease with a brush, just a flat brush from Spectrum A18. It's quite big, but it's quite sharp. It's easy to cut out the shape. And I used something new I got from Beauty Bay. It's funny because Beauty Bay is UK website, but I bought our own LA Girl product. It's a white concealer. I know, concealer you're not supposed to use it, but pooh. I have dry AF eyelids, nothing ever moves on me. So yeah, it creases a little bit, I'm not gonna lie, but we're gonna press it on immediately and apply shimmers. And I had my eyes on the pinkish shimmers immediately, so that's what I'm gonna go with. And I'm gonna go in between these two, Royal and Chins. I don't know why they named them so weird. This one and this one's so beautiful. You will see. So I'm gonna go with the light one first and apply it in the inner corner. Oh my god, this shade is amazing, just amazing. I have this on my brow bone too, on the other eye. Almost forgot. My brow bone needs to be done. And might as well get into my brow bone immediately with the same brush, because I'm feeling lazy to switch the brushes, and this brush is already loaded with the same color. Look how beautiful this shines on the brow bone. It is so gorgeous. Okay, All the way in the outer corner, I'm gonna go with this beautiful royal. Oh, it's a beautiful, beautiful metallic. Look at that. Yes, I love it. So I'm applying everything at an angle, the same angle as here, to create this kind of pulled out snatch look, which is a very Elaina look. And just blend these two shimmers together. To blend this outer corner, I'm going to use the same gesso brush with a red, claret. John, is it claret or claret? My husband says no idea. So it's not only me who can speak English properly, it's my American natural born citizen husband. And that was the shade. So there's quite a bit of fallout. It falls out a lot, but again, this is not an issue for me. A lot of palettes fall out, so that's not a problem. So I'm just going between red and black to blend all the lines perfectly. And then I'm going to do the low lash line in the same manner. Alright, I did some work off camera, put something in my waterline. I decided to go with pink rather than black because I wanted to have something pink and bright. And this is a ColourPop shade, a beautiful shade for this. It's called Good Reef, and it's a gel eyeliner. And for the upper lash line, I used my You Can Be liner, just a regular eyeliner with felt tip, and the mascara was Tarte. The one I got in the box of Charm. It's a Man Eater. Alright, now I'm gonna do the eyeliner. So this liner is from AM High Vis Liquid Eyeliner. It's very pigmented and I just don't use it enough. The color is just perfect for this makeup look. So I'm just going to align my crease with it. And hopefully I'll get to breathe because I always forget to breathe when I do this kind of thing. Okay, and then I went crazy with the gems. I felt like I haven't done full gems, full on, in a while. And we went like this. So this is just regular nail art gems. This is one of my oldest sets. I just decided to go through it, might as well. They're light pink, they're dark pink, and there's a couple of reds here, just to go with the whole color scheme. So I put all the light pinks here. All you need is a wax pencil, eyelash glue, and gems. And I'm telling you, I used to be a tweezer girl, or even with my finger, and I'm like, once I discovered the wax pencil, this is like, ah, moment. This works so much better. It literally takes a second. I'm just gonna show you one, because this is kind of a tedious process, and I would rather do it off camera. So you put a dot of glue right on the eyeshadow, then pick up one with the tip of the wax pencil. Here, see? It's right on it. And you press it on. That is it. That is totally it. This takes seconds. So I'll be back with the whole shebang. And the eyelashes, I'm gonna use these lashes. I think it's Alter Ego. I'll show you. Here's my lashes. And I'll be back with a full beat face because this is pretty much it. Just the lashes and the gems are left. And I'll show you the final look. So here's the final look. I went a little gem crazy. I applied more and a low lash line because I felt like I wanted something really, really festive with this because the palette is so incredible. Like I really, really want to dress it up beautifully. So yeah, that's the eyes. So that's it, that's the look. In case you're wondering, I'm still trying to wear Morphe foundation, the old Morphe foundation, and I'm still loving it. It still looks pretty dang perfect. I don't know what's going on. I'm still like not sure if they changed the formula since they released it like a couple of years ago. But it's working for me. It does not make me dry anymore. It's like a miracle. It's beautiful. And on the lips, I'm wearing my trustworthy Maybelline I always go to. And one is a Romantic 30 and one is Loyalist 05 in the middle. So that's what we got. And the lip liner I'm using LA Girl Neon Shockwave lip liner in the color Fiery. It matches Maybelline perfectly. So yeah, that's the look. Like very, very, very extra, totally Elaina look with the gems and the liner, everything in the kitchen sink. So let me know what you guys think. Did you pick up this palette? It is beautiful. It's actually more beautiful on the eyes than the palette itself. When I saw it, I just knew about Beauty Bay quality, so I knew I was gonna get it. But it's like this kind of doesn't really excite me, but this, it looks so much better on the eyes than it is in the palette. So I really highly do recommend this. For 20 bucks, you cannot go wrong. It's really, really great quality for the low price, you know, for what you get for the 20 shades. With this pigmentation and this outcome, I mean, you can't go wrong. So go shop. I'm gonna put a link to this palette in the description box of this video. I'm gonna earn a small commission if you guys buy this from my link. So go shop if you enjoy this. So as usual, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my channel. I upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and also go live every Monday. Do please follow me on Instagram, Twitter. The links are going to be in the description box, as well as my Patreon group. Huge thank you for all my patrons on my Patreon group. You guys are the best. I love you. So if you guys are interested, want to join, the link is below. So thank you guys for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.